About a year ago, Plantronics launched a new generation of headsets that have special capabilities. In essence, there is sensors in it that can provide valuable information for applications to be a bit smarter in serving up information.
One of the things that's been talked about a lot is that what we all need is an agent working on our behalf. We need something that is working for us, implicitly working on the web to bring the data that we need to us, to bring relevance to us. And our belief at Plantronics is that a piece of wearable technology, such as a headset or something else on your body, could be that fourth element that actually bends the web to you, that brings all that information to the individual. And we're going to show a little bit of that in a few minutes. We need this device that's on you, maybe even several devices on you. It could be a headset, plus a heart rate monitor, plus a pedometer that's tracking your steps, tracking your pulse, tracking your emotions in interesting ways, that can interact with the sensor network that's all around you in order to make the web what you want it to be. So the idea is very much that as I walk into a room and there's a set of devices there, that literally it could interact with the thermostat and the environmental controls in the room. If it's myself plus my colleague Philip and we have different preferences, that it literally could negotiate and find the perfect environment. So in the broader environment, literally the idea that as you're walking down the street with the sensors that are on your body, plus the sensors that are on your mobile phone, that are on your tablet, that it's interacting with the traffic lights, interacting with the crosswalk signals, interacting so that when I get a call from my boss and he wanted video, that information is actually interacting with the environment around me and telling me that there's a coffee shop that has a video kiosk about 1 block up the street and off to the right. If I want to duck in there, I can simply hit accept and it'll pre-book that room so I can start talking to my boss, and as soon as I go in, it'll shift over to video. All becoming very, very possible on the web today. According to Gartner, the worldwide annual communications market is about $2.1 trillion, so more than $2,000 billion per year gets spent by companies on PBXs, phones, long distance, contact centers, mobile phone contracts. That's an astounding amount of money. With a new technology coming in like WebRTC and some of the things that Plantronics brings to it, suddenly there's the ability during a market transition like a new standard for new companies to come in and build applications for this market very, very quickly. That's why we think Plantronics plus WebRTC is very, very interesting. So this headset has the ability through its APIs, through its application programming interfaces, to really pull all of these devices together and make sense of them in a very productive communications infrastructure.